Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Cosine 2a equals to 1 minus 2 sine a squared in here. So about s, we have number 2 multiplied by s over 2. So capital A, that is about s over 2. And now we need to transform this one into this one. Now we have the formula in here. The integration of this one, we have number 1 over bx plus c with first derivative in here. And then we have e. This is about elliptic integral of the second kind. And now I will put about bx plus c go in here. Coefficients, that's about a, I will put in here. And then I will put about c. Now we can apply this formula for this one. So first derivative of this one, we have 1 over 2. And if we simplify, we have number 2. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.